Good morning from BTP, Michael Jenkins here again. One of the interesting questions we get is why is BTP so Hewlett-Packard based? Why are our machines from desktops through to servers based on Hewlett-Packard? Part of that reason is we can keep renewing the service contract up to 7 years, so we can still get spares and bits for them. Another reason is they're engineered, they're designed with airflow in mind, they're designed to last. The power supply is throttled back, they use less power if you're using less services on the server. They're a great system. But let's actually have a look at some of the features that appear not only in Hewlett-Packard servers, but all enterprise servers. But we're looking at a HP today. So I'm just going to flip the screen. And here we have a Hewlett-Packard ML350, one of the many types of servers that Hewlett-Packard create. First thing to look at, we have redundant power supplies. There are two power supplies, removable and hot swappable. So if one was to fail, we can get a replacement and change it over. In the back here, well, we've got a lot of network cards. Well, actually no. One of them is a lights out management card. This card allows us to remote into your server, check the voltages, temperatures, and restart it, even if it's turned off. As long as there's power to the box, even if it's shut down, we can do magic with it and bring it back up. Redundant fans, so if one fails, the others keep going. Go around to the front of the unit, and we've got redundant hard drives. So we've got hard drives that if they fail, the way we set them up, and I'm having trouble getting that, there we go, nice and tight. The hard drive, which we use SAS hard drives for speed, can be replaced and hot swapped while the unit is still running. And as you can see, we've got more bays, we can add more hard drives. In fact, you can add smaller hard drives and get even more in here. You can fit other componentry in here to make more hard drives work. Well, what's inside the box? Like I said, engineered for airflow. There's baffles to make sure that the air through these fans are going over the RAM. They use passive heat sinks, not active, so there's no fans on the heat sinks to keep the processes cool. There's no fans to fail, no bearings to fail. It's all metal. You've got your aluminium and you've got your copper, and they're dual capable CPUs, dual banks of RAM, nicely laid out, easy to get spare parts for, especially if you've got it under warranty. We can slide out these two covers here and put more fans in there if we wish. So we've got all the parts that will fail within 4 to 5 years, power supplies, fans, hard drives, all available to replace. We can replace the whole lot, easy to work on. Two-person lift, but still easy to work on. They don't gather a lot of dust in them, and if they do, it's usually around the front here. It's easy to clean. They're just fantastic servers. They come with a lot of built-in software, monitoring agents, which allow us to get the best out of them. So at the end of the day, it gives more speed over the network to you, the user, even though the user experience at the actual desktop's not meant to be fantastic. It's pretty good. So as an administrator, you have a good experience. As a user, you have a great experience. And everything just works. When it comes to upgrading them, not a problem, easy to upgrade. That's why we use Hewlett-Packard servers. They're quick, the parts are replaceable, keep the service warranty going for up to 7 years, could be kept in the practice up to 11 years because the machines just keep going, they don't die. And as you can see, this one here, which is probably about 4 years old, is still very new looking inside and is actually still a working server. That's why we use them. Thanks for watching. Any comments, let me know. Any questions, let me know. If you like a different brand, let me know. And if you like the way we do our work and like what you've seen, share this video, get it out there. Again, Michael from BTP, have a great day.